Hi, I'm in Cursor, and I'll try to basically, uh, you know, kind of plan for changes of adding a functionality in our agentic platform, Wingman, Bito Wingman. So I'm just basically mentioning here that I want to add context compaction to Bito Wingman modular service in our org. Can you come up with a plan for the same? I have Bito AI Architect enabled in our system, so I'll just basically press enter. I'm in a completely different repository here, you know, nothing related to Wingman, as you can see. Let's see what it does. It's basically going and calling uh, Bito AI Architect MCP and getting various pieces of information, as you can see here. Okay, you can auto search the web if you want. Now it's creating a plan. Cool, it has now created the plan. Let me quickly check that. Okay, let me go here, open this in a nice view. Close this one. Okay, SQLite store, session management, DB index, and I'm not even in this, Bito Wingman repository. Now let me see. Open a terminal here. Let me go to, a location wherein I might have the code to basically verify. CD Bito Wingman. This is where I have the latest code, but it basically got all the information here. I'm just making sure that it is basically providing me the right information. So let me go here, cd src. Do I have sessions? Okay, ls. Okay, SQLite store. It does have that. Session manager is there. So it's basically, was able to figure out, proper information. This is in a whole separate thing, which I've kind of just checking whether it is giving me correct information. Okay. Token management, context windows there, session persistence we already have. It's basically telling me where to add and make changes for context compaction. So this looks accurate based on how Wingman is implemented. Now let me actually go and, sometimes you have to always ask LM to double verify. So I can say, can you review / verify your plan and come up with a TRD and LLD which can be used with LLM based code to generate code. And this cursor, so I always put do not write code just so that it doesn't start implementing. Let's see what it does. Okay, so it has created TRD and it's basically creating this. Let me check what it has created here. And close this. Open the TRD just to kind of verify if things look okay. Okay, sliding window, token based out of scope, real-time streaming compaction, which is fine. Wow, it got the default threshold. That's interesting. Fine. So it figured this out. We actually have 20 message threshold, which is great. So the data is accurate. Token count approaches. Yes, we utilize 80% of the context window. Compaction triggers automatically. Yes. We actually have session management APIs, REST endpoints here. So we have other, I'd say endpoints, and it has added compact, which is great. Compact session. We actually have we have like these parameters. So he has added a new compact parameter, which is great. Sliding window strategy, acceptance criteria, summarization, key decisions outcome, code changes, tool execution results. So it is using all the information that we actually store. Nothing is extra. It hasn't added its own stuff, which is good. So the plan LLM provider integration, compaction shall work with all the support things. Yeah, we use an LLM factory and we have multiple LLMs, integrated configuration requirements, enable disable strategy selection threshold values, window sizes, which is good. We actually have like a config file typically for Wingman, which is great. Compaction status. Awesome. It has also basically included the CLI parameters, not only REST, but we have both REST and CLI interface. It has basically covered both. So the technical requirements document looks good. It's still creating the LLD. So once it's created, let's see if I can actually view it right now. Okay, we close this. Main, okay, summarization service, hierarchy based session management existing, yes, get conversation, add message. These are all interfaces which are existing. Okay, this looks good. Create provider, type config. Okay, user request. We have process request, check if compaction is needed. Compactor, summarization. Okay, LLM provider, update database with compact messages, written compact, conversation history, process with minute. Wow, this looks good. It has actually put in database changes. We actually have a config.js wherein context context compaction and stuff is added. Summarization. I picked up the module. Okay. Okay. Oh God, let me again open. What's this? Session ID force. So the low level design document also looks good. So great. I could basically, using the AI architect, actually create, a plan, and then based on the plan, create the technical requirement document as well as the low level design document. And it did that basically by utilizing the AI architect from Bito. Cool. Thanks.